Hi guys, we're back. This is the trade-off, and for those that have not been watching this so far, this is really about me as an amateur trader, learning really just to trade a new strategy that I've been working on really for past 1.5 years. I've back tested it for 5 years, and hopefully the goal is to make me completely self-sufficient financially from this forex trading strategy. So it's going from the trade-off, which is about trading part-time while working full-time, and turning that around on its head to eventually be completely full-time trading, sack off the job and earn loads and loads of money from this strategy. We are currently in our 4th trade at the moment. 2 have completed and we've already earned 9.4% growth. We started at $1,052, and we're now up to $1,151 in just a week. Actually, we're waiting for the Euro USD to complete on another video that I've got going at the moment, and we've just entered back in to pound Norwegian kroner. This flew down for us the other day. I mean, I got in right around here for my first trade, and then right at the top here, and then we got out around about down here somewhere and made a fantastic 6.4% of total capital in one trade. Now it's actually gone to what we call an exceptional price at the other end. Now it's fallen. Sometimes, you know, you wish you just stayed in and rode it all the way down and made some ridiculous amount of pips, but even just that there to around about there where I got out, you know, that's 451, 541. That's nearly 100 pips. So, you know, it's, you know, this strategy gives us significant pips, and like I said, you know, it's an average of 65 pips per trade, which is just fantastic. And you know, different leverages mean that you can, if it does draw down from where you originally get in, i.e. from this point here, if it does draw down because of the staggered leverage, we can make that back very quickly still when it does come in our favor. So guys, again, this is the 4th trade so far. We've just got in here. I've put these blue lines in. They're nothing to do with the strategy, but they're just really strong support lines that have you know, are quite historic. So I put them in, and obviously, as we know, it's not just a line, it's a range of an area where there's a support or resistance, and so I've put them in there, and it could break through this today, you never know, or it could come right back up here. The mean at the moment is around about there, so you know, if we get out around there just today, that's nearly 100 pips in the opposite direction. So we'll see what happens today. I'll let you know, and we'll keep you updated. Hi guys, we're back in this again, and as you can see, it's come up nearly to the mean. The mean's probably about there, but as you know, Brexit and things, the negotiations and chats, etc., are coming up tomorrow, so I am going to manually get out of this trade now. As you can see, we're very close to 1,200 pounds, which is exceptional. This trade again is best part of 2% growth. 4th trade in a row now, guys, so this is fantastic. So I'm just going to get out here, close off my order, and get out with a lovely profit. Done. So guys, we are just under 1,200 pounds. It's very close, as you can see from the history here. We have some fantastic trades today that have finished. We were in the Euro USD for 5 days. It was actually the first trade that I ever got into, but 2 others since we've got into and completed. Then the first trade here, the Euro USD, we got out this morning, which is fantastic, with a great profit of £21. We've just got out of this one as well, 26.54, which is brilliant. And our total profit for today, guys, is £47.36. Now, when I started with 1,052, I mean, that's, you know, that is a decent sort of 5% in a day profit, which is just cracking. So let's just have a look. Custom period here. We started this last week, which was the 4th. So we'll just put it on the 4th here of March 2019 till now, done. And you can see my profit is £145.75 so far. So amazing strat. As you can see here, these are all my my profits and my trades. As you can see, there are some negative ones, but overall that trade, because that came with the Euro USD, there came with the £51.70 as well. Obviously overall it's profitable. The rest of them are all just profits, really. So it's fantastic. And just so you're aware, guys, again, this is my account. You can see here my account is £1,198.44. It's the same account number, 10,29636. IC Markets Live. There's no change there. I've shown you the history. I've shown you it's completely genuine. And guys, this is just the best strategy for 2019. So please subscribe, like my channel, and come on my journey with me. And I will see you on the next trade.